Hello my dear students, good afternoon all of you. Welcome back to your online classes. I hope you all are remember what we are going to learn. In last session my dear students, we have done a paper style wise revision in question number 4. Now only one question we have left, then we will move on further our new chapter. Understood what I am telling you, my dear students? In last session, we have done the question number 4. Is dotted line is the symmetry line? Say yes or no. We have done already in the last session. Now we will move on the next. Find the object and look at them carefully and write the tables. Understood? This is a question number 5. So today we are going to learn. Okay, what I am writing here, my dear students, what we have done, we have done. Understood, my dear students, what we have done this all things. We have done this all things. So first of all, we have done what? Question number 1. I hope you all are remember what is the question number 1. Means we have to write the fraction for shaded parts. So is the question number 1 we have done, it's a 4 marks. Then after the question number 2, say whether true or false. Question number 2 is what, my dear students? Say whether true or false. We have done. It's same of 4 marks. Now we will move on, my dear students. Question number 3. Write a fraction means choose a fraction for fraction for about how much it once hold. This question also we have done, and it's how many marks? 4 marks. Okay, and last session we have done question number 4. Is dotted line is the symmetrical line? Means we have to say yes or no. Understood? Means we have to done the 4 question. Now we will move on to question number 5. So now here we will start the question number 5, my dear students. Okay. So now note down the question number 5. Find the objects. So now my dear students, I am writing here question number 5. Find the objects. Find the objects. But my dear students, look at them carefully. Look at them carefully. Understood? And complete the tables. And complete the table. What, my dear students, what my point, what I am telling you here is we have to write the first objects. Then what we have to write? Shape, name of the shape. Then what we are going to write, my dear students? Number of the edge. Number of the edges. And number of the corner and number of the side. Number of sides and number of the corner. Number of the corners. Means we have to mention these all things. Thus, to my dear students, this is all things we are going to learn. So now I will give you time. You have to write the objects, shape, number of edge, number of the sides, and number of the corner. And then we will move on further now, my dear students. So let's start writing all things, my dear students, in your book quickly, because of we have no more times from solving this question, all my dear students. To note down these all things here, and then we will move on further. Okay, what I am telling you here? Again and again I am telling you, first of all draw or make the table as like that in your book quickly, and then we will move on further, my dear students. Okay. One more thing, my dear students, here we are going to not a side of face, faces. Okay, means we are writing here the face is not a side. Okay, so now I will mention these things, my dear students. You have mentioned these all things, all my dear students, and then we will start the first shape, means first object. Okay, then we will start the first object. So first of all, we take the first object, my dear students. What I am telling you, we take the first object. So let's check, my dear students. We take here the first object. Here I am draw the first object. I hope you know which shape I am drawing here. Okay. Now I hope you all know which shape I am. So that was my dear students. Okay, this is a pencil box and its shape is which shape, my dear students? It's the rectangular shape. Means what? A cuboid. Cuboidal shape. It's called which shape, my dear students? Cuboid shape. Understood? So now it's the cuboid shape. Okay, now my dear students, we have to find the number of edges. How many edges here? First of all, we find the edges. Here, then after the faces at the corner. So I am drawing here again. See, this is a S-like shape. Okay, my dear students. See, this type of the face object means we have to find the edge. Okay, so see, this is I am highlighted to this green marker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 or 12. Again, my dear students, I repeat here for you this shape. How many edge means how many lines? So this is see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Got my points, my dear students? As like that, we have to count the number of edges. Again, I repeat, my dear students, cuboidal edge. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Understood? It's the 12 edge. So means what we have to do in the edge, number of edge, what we are mentioning in number of edge, we are mention 12 edges. How many edges? 12. Now means we have to find the face. How many face of the edge? This box, my dear students, 6 face. So again I draw this. See, this is a one face. Okay, got my points, my dear students. First of all, I draw the first. Okay, so this is I draw the faces here. See, this is one face. Okay, then after 2, then after 3, then after 4. Add 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and upside in this way means 6 totally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. But my point, my dear students, we are going to count as like that means 6 faces. How many faces? 6 faces. Now we are going to count the corner, my dear students. So now count the corner. See how many corners. Again I draw 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8. Understood? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here is both 8. Okay, so how many, my dear students? Number of corners is 8. Okay, you count is your own self, my dear students. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 here and 4 upside. Okay, see here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This side 5, 6, 7, or 8. So number of corner is what? 8. Number of corner is 8, my dear students. Now I mention. Try to draw the shape cuboid. Number of face is 12, number of face 6, and number of corners is 8. Note down in your book, my dear students, quickly, and then we will move on further, my dear students. Understood what I am telling you, my dear students? Then after we will move on further a second shape. Which shape? Second shape. So second shape is what, my dear students? Second shape. So my dear students, you are drawing as like that. Okay, my dear students, we are going to draw as like that. Okay, the which shape is the ball shape. Okay, so means what? Spherical. We have mentioned a circle or okay. Okay, now my dear students, number of edge. See, this is round and round is no edge. What, my dear students? See, this is round means this is spherical and no edge, no corner, no faces. See, this is corner. You are see this is corner and you know. Okay, it is no corner, no face, no edge. So that's why what we are mentioning here. That's why we are mentioning 0 means number of edges is 0, number of faces is 0, and number of the corner is 0. Understood what I am telling you, my dear students? Number of edges is 0, number of faces is 0, and number of corner is 0. I hope you all are understood both cuboid shape and spherical shape. Okay, so now note down this in your book, my dear students, quickly. Then we will take the other image, my dear students, means other shape. Again I repeat, first the cuboid shape, then the spherical shape. Number of the edge 12, number of the faces is 6, and number of the corner is 8. Okay, again and again I repeat, my dear students. Again and again I repeat, objects of is a pencil box, means the shape is cuboid shape. Number of the edges is 12, number of faces is 6, and number of the corner is 8. And then after the object is the spheroid. Number of edges is 0, number of faces is 0, and number of the corner is 0. No corner, no face, or no edges. It's called edges. Okay, my dear students, what I am telling you, understood all of you? Okay, so now we will move on for the next example. Okay, now we will move on next example, my dear students. So now here is the next shape. Is what, my dear students? Let's check here the next shape. My dear students, I hope you all know what is this, and which shape is here? Is the cube shape. What, my dear students, is the cube shape. Okay, so now we try to draw a cube shape. Okay, now my dear students, how many edges of cube? So now I am drawing here, you are telling me. Okay. See, 1, 2, 3. Again, one by one I will show you, my dear students, and then you have to count the edges, means line. Okay, see, this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many edges? Again I repeat, my dear students, how many edges of cube? So edges of cube is a 12. Okay, again I will present here, my dear students. See, this is, look at them very carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 or 12. What is this? Is a 12 edges of cube. What, my dear students? 12 edges of the cube. So we have mentioned here 12 edges. Then after the number of the face. Okay, so 6, same of the cuboid. Okay, same of the edges 12, same of the faces 12. See, this is 1, 2, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So means 6 faces. And how many corners? 8 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5, 6, 7 or 8. So means we are mentioning here the 8 corners. How many corners? Again I repeat, 1 corner, second, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7 or 8. There are total 8 corners. That's why we have mentioned here the 8. Okay, my dear students, there are total how many corners? There are total 8 corners. Okay, my dear students, that's why what we have mentioned in here 8 corners. Now you take the time from writing here, take the time and you write first of all objects, means draw the objects, then write the shape, then number of the edge, and number of the face, and number of the corner. And then we will move on further, my dear students. So now I hope you have done this shape, means cube shape. Okay. So now we will move on further, my dear students. I hope you have done this shape. Now here we take the further next shape D. Okay, which shape, my dear students? The cylindrical shape. My dear students, see, this is a which shape. I hope you all remember. Is the which shape was cylindrical shape. Cylinder means we have to count the cylinder. That's considered as a form of the cylinder. Okay, my dear students, in which shape? I hope you all remember. Cylinder. Okay, now here we will count the edges. So 1 or 2. How many edges? 2 edges. Okay. Now number of the face means front view and back view means both view. So means there then we have mentioned the faces. Understood, my dear students? That's why we have mentioned the faces. 2 edges, 2 faces. This 2 edges and 2 faces. Number of the corners? No corners, 0 corners. Okay. So my points now, my dear students, now note down this the cylinder shape in your book quickly. And then we will move on further here. So first shape, cuboid shape, second is spherical, third is cube, and fourth is the cylinder. Now last shape and last object, and then here we have done the revision paper style wise revision of FA3 exam we have done. Understood, my dear students, what I am telling you? So now here let's move on further. Question number E. My dear students, now I am going to draw here question number E. My dear students, what is this? I hope you all are remember. I hope you all are you loved very well and you eat in summer. You eating in summer. Which shape is cone shape? Okay, my dear students, it's the cone shape. How many edges of the cone shape? One. You see, this is one. Okay. So what we are mentioning here? One. How many face? One side. We are seeing the one side. Otherwise, it's a round. Okay. And corners. No corners. Corners are available. See, it's a corner. A shape is shows the A shape. A shape. It's corner a 0. But one corners we are mentioning here. Okay, no corners if the both joints are means see this is part of the corner here. That's why it's one corner, not a only two lines are jointed, not any specific corners. That's why we write the corners. But my points, my dear students, I hope you all are understood very well, my dear students. Okay. So you are now fill your textbook. Okay, properly, my dear students. Understood? Now you fill your textbook properly, and then you write your example. Now, my dear students, I am giving you your homework. Paper style wise revision. Okay, means I give you the paper style wise revision. We have done one time in your draft book. Understood? I hope you all are understood. Thank you so much, all of you. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you all.